Hey guys, it's Eddie from Off-Road Chef and my good friend of mine, Jose.
Jay with Rubicon Adventures.
Heck yeah! And today we are installing Adams Driveshaft.
So he's gonna tell me what to do, and I'm gonna do it.
No,
He's the expert.
we'll do it together. All right, let's get going. Basically, you just have to remove this end of the drive shaft. Those what kind of nut are those? Like Torx?
Torx, yeah. T50.
T50 Torx bolt.
Let's see if this works.
Yeah. And just the end of the other drive shaft, and that's pretty much it. You didn't have to remove some skids or anything.
There we go.
Oh yeah, that angle.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. All right, cool.
Yeah. Do it manually and then hit it. Man, it comes in handy, huh?
Yeah. Nice having tools.
I like that. I wish I got mine like yours, like that. What is that? 3/8 at least.
Yeah, I get this is the half.
Oh, half.
Yeah.
1/2 drive. I had the. Oh, I have the 3/8 drives, and you have the 1. That is alright.
I'm not gonna do it all the way until the other one.
Yeah, just leave one at least a little loose. And
yeah. Get these guys out of here. Ouch.
Yep.
Hey man.
You know, I didn't use my impact on this one.
Oh yeah? What do you use?
Hand. I never thought about it. Oh, I think that's where I decided to find it. That's really nice, you know? Sheet.
Just one more and then we turn the drive shaft.
Cool. Then we'll just put it in neutral and turn.
Oh man, like they are.
Nice. And we noticed he got a small damage from his right shocks from John Bull. Dang, can't believe we did the John Bull already. Anyways, other than that, he doesn't have anything major issue or minors, so just the shocks and everything looks good. God dang. All right.
Yeah, I hate to admit it, but
I hate to admit it either. Before, I always like, man, I'll show you what this guy can do.
yep.
But you know, time goes by. It's like
Time to graduate.
time to graduate, right?
Yeah, man.
That was like the most the best decision that we ever did, dude.
Yeah.
Imagine that.
Oh.
I don't know where we going, you know.
We did all the trails we could in the Cherokee.
Yeah, we did lots of
mountain.
black diamonds
Yeah.
and Big Bear and shit.
Yep.
Holy shit. Yeah, we did a lot.
Yep.
All right. See, the thing about this stock drive shaft is, dang, it's too big, man. Look at that shit.
Almost.
Almost right there. Perfect. Hold on. All right. So now it's removed. Look at that. Beautiful. That was easy. God dang. All right, guys. So this is the new Adams Driveshaft. This is the 1350 they have, right?
Yep.
1350. And look at that, the difference. God dang, that's the stocks right there. It's so humongous.
Custom aftermarket drive shaft boot.
There you go, that's the custom. Where did you get that, eBay or Amazon? God dang. Oh man, amazing. Yeah, but that's that big drive shaft right there, that's all hollow tube.
Yep.
Yep. Man, look at those scratches and dents.
Should have been more careful.
Oh, we can. Nah.
Trail damage.
It's inevitable.
Yeah. I'm so mad. Like, man, I can't believe it.
Yeah, I did mine too. Damaged mine in calico.
Yeah.
Right.
Is that it?
So this nut right here, you will use a 1 1/4 size socket right there. Woo! That was nice. Man, I love the impact wrench.
Me too.
It does wonders. Imagine that, doing that by hand.
Oh, forget it.
Forget it. Perfect. So now that the nut is out, we just have to take it off. Alright. So we're gonna use a puller to remove the flange. This puller, you can get it in Home Depot for like 19 bucks or AutoZone. There he goes. Beautiful. Perfect, that's it. That's all we need.
Nice.
That's all we need.
Nice and easy.
So easy. Dang.
Nice having the right tool.
Yep. All right.
I mean, no win.
Yep. Go ahead.
There we go. Need a little more
Yes, sir.
motivation.
Perfect. All right. Beautiful. Oh, tangina. Nice.
There we go.
Beautiful.
Nice and easy.
Alright, so now both flange are out. So now let's get the drive shaft ready. So this is the flange that came with the drive shaft and the nut. And we have to put our TV on it. Just put a little bit of oil. There you go.
There we go. That's
There
it, right?
you go. Yep. Fits so good.
Yep. Nice. Let me get the Loctite.
There you go. Okay, now we're gonna torque these to 166 foot-pounds. Perfect.
Okay, thank goodness. I hate Loctite.
Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of oil.
Yep.
Nice. And the same thing we did on the other nut, we're gonna add Loctite and RTV. There you go. Okay, now we're just gonna put some silicone on that.
I'm not gonna spread it like that's why we shouldn't have spread it, huh?
It's alright. It's yeah, that's good. It's gonna get changed. Yeah, right.
There.
Yep.
Alright. Loctite.
And then some Loctite.
Right.
Okay.
It's not moving anymore, look.
Yep. I think that's it.
That's it.
Yep.
Yep.
And we just have a tiny backlash right there. And that's normal. That's it. We're good. Heck yeah.
Thank goodness. Man, I'm just gonna get this one in here like that. That way. Man, this is way beefier than.
Oh yeah. It's like a solid metal and shit.
Yeah. "20 minutes later, he's still turning that one nut."
Man, I hate that corner.
That's good. That's good.
Oh heck yeah.
That's good. That's good.
So
right
that's it. Just tight enough for the.
Thank you.
Yep, that's about it.
Man,
Man, there you go.
a
It's
lot
done.
of trouble. Trouble girl.
So you're gonna name your Jeep suit?
Yeah, maybe. Like hell
Seems
bitch.
like everyone names it.
Name the
You know, I just noticed.
hell bitch.
Hell.